Hi there everyone, I'm Jaakko. So I got mail today, received this nice PDF from ASIAGRAPH. I was invited to join their kind of competition or exhibition last year, and I was doing this Asian woman scene, this Vietnamese film-based scene, and I just I thought, okay, I'm gonna send it to them and see what happens. And I didn't really expect to get any reply, but then I don't know what happened, but I completely missed it last year because this was actually held last year, and I guess my work was shown on November 15th, but I just got the email, got the notification today, and they just said thanks, congratulations for winning, and thanks for joining this ASIAGRAPH. So I actually did some digging because then I just got to my radar, and this ASIAGRAPH is actually part of this digital content expo, this thing that seems to be part of Inderby in Makuhari Messe. This is the Japanese broadcast event and kind of like event where the broadcast and TV and media professionals keep their booth, kind of like the music messe in Frankfurt every year. So this is like a broadcast entertainment event, and they are part of that, so they are really interesting. So here is their website, and it says ASIAGRAPH 21 in Tokyo last year, and these works, what I saw, these are really awesome. The best works are just wow, oh my god, this is just awesome. Like that, it's beautiful. These people are amazing artists, excellent works. Yeah, oh, this is wow, it's really nice. And this one, oh man, this is awesome. Yeah, beautiful work. And then they have these winning works, and there's something like this. Oh, it's brilliant. Also this look at the phrase, look at this, beautiful. And then yeah, my work is actually here as well. So it's kind of, it makes me feel really humble to be in such a good company. These works are just and this one just gave me this chills in my spine. Look at her face. Look at this, this really photorealistic and artistic and strong, like a portrait photo. This could be portrait photograph of famous photographer in Japan, for example. Just Project Hina by Viriel Boy. I don't know how to pronounce his name. They are awesome. Like to see these kind of works just makes me feel oh, I want to do this stuff. I want to become better, and I want to really just explore and try new things and everything. So yeah. Anyway, I'm really glad it's an honor to be mentioned at least here, and maybe some people watch it, and I don't know, maybe they felt something about this work. Yeah, so don't give up your 3D modeling dreams, I guess I should say. This was Jaakko. I hope to see you in the next video that's coming soon. Bye bye.